Are you seeing pink lines on your Samsung phone screen? In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix that. First, you want to open up the phone app. Now, on your keypad, you want to dial *#0*#. This will now take you to diagnostic menu. Here, you want to test red by tapping on red. Red screen will appear. Next, tap on green. Green screen will appear. Then tap on blue. Blue screen will appear. Now test it one by one to see if the pink line disappears. If it works, you're all set. If not, then the another way is to restart your phone. Go ahead and hold on the power button, then tap on the restart option. After the restart, if the pink lines are still there, then it's likely a hardware issue. You may need to get your phone repaired professionally. That's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.